I'm Luke Williams, teaching Unit 6 assignment. So this assignment is over ratios and proportions. A ratio is the similarity between two numbers, the comparison similarity. So an example of this would be you have a class with 5 girls and 25 boys. So you can write out this ratio by doing 25 to 5, 25 and a colon 5. You can also do 25 over 5. Another thing about ratios is they can be simplified, so you can take its fraction form and simplify it to 5 over 1. So for every 5 boys, there are 1 girl. That is the basics of ratios. Now, you have proportions. Proportions, there is the comparison between two ratios. And so, a real world example would be you have 2 picture frames. And one is bigger than the other, and you know they're similar. So you have 1 and 2, so 1 inches and 2 inches. And then you also have 6 inches and 3 inches. So you know these are similar. So the way you can find out if they're similar is putting it into a fraction. 2 over 1 equals 6 over 3, and then cross multiplying. You know 1 times 6 equals 6, and 2 times 3 equals 6, and 6 equals 6. So you know these are similar. Now, you can also use proportions and knowing the similarity to solve for if you have 2 picture frames and you only know 3 of the measurements. You know they're similar, so you know they're similar, and you have a 10, a 5, a X, and a 2. So what you have to do is, again, put it in fraction form. 5 over 2 equals 10. But since you don't know what this is and it's labeled by X, you put it over X. You know that 10 times 2 is 20. So 20 equals 5 times X, 5X. And now that you have 5X, you can take it and divide it. Divide 5 from both sides to get X equals 4. So now you know what X equals, so you can take away your X and put it as 4. And then you can check your work by putting 5 times 4 is 20, and 2 times 10 is 20. So now you know these are similar.